Welcome everyone. This is a very quick update on my AC 2 litre restoration, or rather the delayed engine rebuild. A few things happened all within a few days. I managed to contact AC engine specialist Brian Taylor Restorations. They were extremely helpful and gave plenty of free advice. They confirmed that drilling the studs out is not for the faint-hearted, as drills can wander off course when going over 6 inches deep, and drilling 12 studs would take a great many hours. Fortunately, they described how to tackle the studs before taking that last resort. Apply an oxyacetylene welding torch to the block, taking the obvious care not to overheat any areas. Heat it up around the stud, especially down near the threaded section. At the same time, apply torque to the stud extractor. I don't have such a welding torch myself, so I thought I'd first try it with my little butane torch after preheating with the electric heaters, acknowledging that the alloy will conduct away the heat quickly. No luck on this first one. Maybe it's the curse of the camera. Sure enough, the third stud came out. Woohoo! No luck on the others, but the block is cooling down anyway. Here's my fire safety stick, special extinguisher known as Element in North America. Another quick try the next day in the workshop, but no success. For now I've ordered a more powerful torch, as arranging to borrow an oxyacetylene torch will take some time. On the same day that Brian Taylor's company spoke to me, I also heard that the new crankshaft is due to be completed by the end of May. I also received a call from Leo Archibald. He owns the bronze AC seen in my video when we took a ride. He also wrote the only book published on the AC 2 litre. He invited me to visit him again, this time to peruse his vast collection of AC archives. Both historical and technical. A few of the technical ones I already have, such as Girling brakes and Lucas Electric's data, and the old road tests. An interesting observation about the autocar road tests is that they tested it twice, 3 years apart, and they seemed to like the AC even more the second time around. It usually goes the other way with car tests. My new camshaft is ready. It's classed as a fast road camshaft, ideal for the alloy head I hope to purchase. And here it is, having arrived on the 24th of April 2023. The timing sprocket will bolt onto the rear end with a pair of offset locating studs. If the crankshaft materialises, then we can get to work machining the block and fitting modern oil seals and a fluid damper. Needless to say, I'll video that work in due course. Thanks for watching.